Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you ever noticed that when you upload videos to Instagram, they appear grainy or have a lower resolution than what you remember taking? In this video, I will show you how to post on Instagram with the highest quality possible. Let's go. First, you need to change the settings on Instagram. Open the app and tap on your profile picture found at the bottom corner. Click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the page and select Settings. Tap on Account, then Data Usage. Here you need to enable Upload at highest quality. Do note that Instagram's maximum resolution is 1080 pixels wide. For now, Instagram does not support 4K videos. After the Instagram settings have been set up, I recommend changing the camera settings too. Launch Settings, find Camera and tap on it. Choose Record Video and you will see different options here. I recommend that you choose at least 1080p with 30 frames per second, which is full HD. Moreover, 60 frames per second will give you a smoother video, but 30 frames per second should also be fine. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.